Switzerland is located in the northern hemisphere in Central Europe and is located in the middle of four other countries: Italy, France, Germany, and Austria. Switzerland is located in the Central European time zone and is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time. The country is completely surrounded by land on all sides. Switzerland has no access to waters such as the sea or ocean, but receives plenty of fresh water from its own lakes and rivers. The capital of Switzerland is Bern, while the largest city is Zurich. Bern is approximately 800 miles from London. This would take 12 hours by car or 2 hours by plane. This map shows the terrain of Switzerland together with its land use. You can immediately see that Switzerland is a mountainous country with the Alps dominating the southern two-thirds and the smaller Jura Mountains along the northwest border. The bit in the middle, which is also where most of the people live and most of the agricultural land and industrial production is located, is called the Swiss Plateau. You'll also notice the lakes. Switzerland has a lot of them, 1,484 to be precise, including some of the biggest lakes in Europe. Most Swiss lakes are formed when the ice sheets of the last glacial period retreated, leaving deep basins carved by ice and filling with water from the melting glaciers. Switzerland is not very big. It measures 220 kilometres from north to south and 350 from east to west. The UK is 5 times bigger than Switzerland. Switzerland is divided into 26 different areas. Each area is called a canton. A canton is similar to a county in the UK. They have their own councils, raise their own taxes, and have their own policies. Switzerland has a population of over 8 million. This is 8 times smaller than the UK's population of 64 million. Switzerland does, however, have 1.6 million cows, or 1 for every 5 people. Because of the Swiss way of life, Switzerland has the second highest life expectancy in the world. Switzerland is the best place in the world to be born, according to The Economist in 2013, which takes specific factors into account, such as how happy people say they are, crime levels, trust in the government, climate, employment, and gender equality. The official currency of Switzerland is the Swiss franc and is one of the most stable currencies in the world. Switzerland has 4 official languages: Swiss German, which is spoken by over 2/3 of the population, French, Italian, Romanish. Romanish is spoken by less than 1% of the population and only a few places in eastern Switzerland. I personally have never heard an utterance of Romanish, but it's the only language unique to Switzerland, so I suppose it has a special place in the Swiss national identity. Almost all Swiss people I know speak at least 2 Swiss languages, plus English, and many more.